What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the video. So the topic today is how can we transfer data from one Windows form to another, and we are trying to send an image from form 1 to form 2. So let's make a new project. So we are going for Windows form. So let's create a second form, and then our first form will have uh, let's have the toolbox, and we will have a picture box here about this length and the size mode to stretch. Then we will need some buttons opening the new form, and in the second form let's go with a big picture box. So we will do dock in parent container, so it occupies the entire form, and stretch image. Now for the upload process, double click the button. Inside here we will say open file dialog. If the short dialog result is okay, then picture box 1 dot image location. So whatever file is selected with the file dialog, the file address is gonna be assigned to the picture box. So this is how the picture will show. Now the open form button, double click it, form 2, and then we will use the show method. So now we will go to form number 2, where we need the access of this picture box, so we can change it using this form. So wherever the actual picture box is located, view code, and we will create a public static form2 instance, and this instance will get this. Now we need another thing. We need to create a public picture box, and let's call it drawing. So we need these two things. We also need to assign drawing the picture box in the form too. Now we can access now we can access the stuff inside form 2. So let's go back to the code of form 1. Transfer the image to form 2. Double click it, and we will say form 2 dot, we can access the instance. Good. Inside the instance we need to access drawing, because we can't access the picture box directly. So we will access drawing dot image, so the image property, and assign it picture box dot image. Now let's try to run this. Let's open form 2. So it's currently empty. Let's upload the picture. So the picture is here. Now when I press transfer, you can see that my picture is transferred to the second form. Transfer to form 2. So this is how we can transfer images, and we can also transfer text boxes data and other data too using this technique. So what I have done here is I have a form 1 and I have a picture box here, and I have a form 2 with a picture box too. I have declared kind of like an interface to access my form 2 and access this big picture box. I have created these two things and assigned them. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.